This is a 1949 Cadillac two-door fastback style, and it's an auction car at the Carlisle auction in Lakeland, but that's a descriptor of the car as it originated. The inspiration being the P-38 of World War II and the fins. But this has been customized fairly radically, and you can see that engine is not the original overhead valve V8 engine it had. And you can see the air conditioner compressor, and it will tell you shortly all the specifications of things that have been added to the car. And you'll notice the side pipes there. Car has been lowered. There's the original body tag. You see it has a curved windshield that is in two pieces. And here in the back window we have the specifications of what is under the hood. But first we're going to look inside and see that they've kept the dash intact fairly well, except the gauges are different. Can't really get a very good look at the back seat here, but you can see from the front bucket seats that very nice upholstery. And you can see that the car has manual transmission because there is the clutch. And here we are. Six-speed transmission. The car really should be quite capable of moving right along. And normally I don't video custom cars, but I've always liked this body style. Cadillac and the Buick also. So I just had to video this. You can see the paint is spectacular here. And we have a divided back window. Very large fender skirts. And of course those wire wheels are the perfect complement.